We're down to 96. You sure you want to go outside there, bud? So we're down to 96. We were at 101 a little bit ago. So earlier today, before it got real hot, I popped out here and I just started putting windows down. So they're just not baking in the sun. And Jimmy, he was the last one. I came over here and I put the key in the ignition and it went beep like it normally does. Then I hit the window switch and nothing happened. Turn the key, nothing. She had enough juice to do that. And so I charged it for most of the day. And this is all I got. That ain't much. It's not good. It's my, well, new battery. It's from 2018, so it's only 3 years old. Is it fried already? So, check the oil. Oil's good, not that that matters for starting. Yeah, July of 18, and it's end of June 21, so I popped the radiator cap and she burped on me. I don't know why it wasn't going into the overflow, but yeah. So I'm gonna get my little battery maintainer charger deal out and I'll let her sit overnight, I think. Hopefully I don't need a new battery already. I've hardly even driven with this one. So let me go grab the other charger. And maybe my old charger is finally dying, I don't know. I had it on 10 amp for most of the day. Run the extension cord back over. Is it warm enough for you? Huh? What do you think? Well, I'm thinking you should come back inside, huh? AC's been cranking all day. There's no charger. It was getting warm, so I don't know, maybe it's, I had it under the hood with the hood closed, so it might just been soaking up heat. But I noticed it was awfully warm. So, started on the 2 amp and it was doing okay, and switched it up to the 10 amp, and so she got a good 6-7 hours of charge time out of it. So we'll go over to this one. Muggy too. If you can see how hazy it is over there. So we can zoom in on the, yeah, there's a little bit of humidity in the air. So we'll get this one plugged in and doing its thing, and should buy another one of these. Let's see, where can we set you guys up? You gonna stay there? Kinda. I wasn't planning on driving the truck today, but at least wanted to put the back of the windows down. Usually have this hooked up to Cletus. Oh, where can we put this where it's not going to interfere? the extension cord. Yeah, it got toasty today. It was a warm one. Alrighty, well, I was going to try to unroll it as I walked, but that didn't work out. Sorry for the lousy camera work. This is live as I'm backing into mirrors, and that plug's gonna clear. Get you back up here. There's a little bit of corrosion on these bolts. I think I wasn't getting a full charge. They're charging. So I'll just leave that right under there. That up there. Yes, I could do the jump and get that going, but I think we'll just let that run for a while and maybe overnight let it do its thing. And still got to clean this back seat. That's about the only thing I haven't done yet, interior wise. Doesn't look too bad. I think my new headrest or new headliner's falling already. I was noticing that the other day. Have to look into that. Poor old truck. Poor old truck. That's why I got two of them. One doesn't work, I can play with the other one. And this one's never let me down. But I don't have the keys on me, so we're not gonna try. It's a 91 Jimmy, dead battery. 84 Chev. Sure it'll crank right up. 63 would probably go, but again, I don't have the keys on me. And I'm gonna take a long 4th of July weekend. So I'll probably just play with all the trucks then. It'll be cooler too. I'm just going to set this right up here for now. Sorry for the camera work. Put that down there. That'll work. So, whew. 37 degrees Celsius. It's toasty. I'm starting to sweat. Alrighty, I'm gonna go inside. I've been popping out for a little bit, then go back inside and cool off, and pop outside, check it. Yeah, I mean, the voltage gauge was going up, so I thought it was taking a charge. Instead, maybe that charger's going haywire. It was getting awfully hot. Okay, well, at least I did something with the truck this weekend. It was 96, 97 yesterday. It was 101 today. Tomorrow they're forecasting 106. Today was supposed to only be 102. So I think it's supposed to be 107 down in Everett. I have to go to work tomorrow. That's going to be miserable. But leave the AC on here at the house. I'm going to drive the car because it's the only car vehicle I got with AC, working AC. I'm going to work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Take Thursday, Friday off. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday's the holiday for us. I'm going to take Tuesday off. Yeah, Monday's the 5th. So Sunday will be the noisy night. And I'll spend most of Monday cleaning up, I'm sure. All the neighbors are going to be blowing stuff up. Already starting to hear it this weekend. Although it hasn't been as bad as I thought it would be. I don't know where my cat ran off to, but she's on her own for a while. Got the AC set at 67. It's 84 and a half in here right now, so it'll cooler down in the evening. Definitely feels a lot nicer. So, okay, I'm gonna shut up and get this uploaded, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.